Remove the two cap screws that hold the outer or motor side coupling guard to the support brackets. Spread the outer guard apart and pull it off the inner guard. Do not spread the outer and inner guards more than necessary to remove the guard. It could alter their fit and appearance. Remove the cap screw that holds the inner guard to the supporting bracket. Spread the inner guard apart and pull it over the coupling. Remove the coupling by first removing the cap screws from both halves of the coupler sleeve and remove the sleeve halves. Slide each half as far back as possible on the shaft.